You are here during our special 6.0 grand opening, which means better features, a better platform, and faster and more results for our users. So let's go ahead and jump into what exactly is new in version 6.0. So as you can see here behind me on the screen, the first big update that we did was to increase our integration with ChatGPT to version 4.0. So as you know, ChatGPT continues to get better and better, and we know how powerful AI can be. So we've decided to continue moving with the speed of tech as well. So we've already integrated with ChatGPT in version 5.0, but since we're always looking to improve our platform and give our users the best results possible, we have decided to stay on top of ChatGPT updates and ensure that we upgrade alongside with them as well. And the best part, that this is all done for you as well. Just like in version 5.0, we are using our own account to write your ChatGPT 4.0 content for you. So every campaign that you submit to Done For You Suite comes along with high quality AI ChatGPT 4.0 content to ensure that the very best content is going along with your campaign. The second and easily one of the biggest updates that we've added to Done For You Suite is the ability to pretty much make it even more done for you. So with this update, we've added our WordPress RSS integration for automatic campaign submission. So yes, you read that correctly. Just when you thought that Done For You Suite was as done for you as it can get, we've made it even better. Not only are we already doing everything for you, from account creation to writing your content to submitting your content and building you hundreds of backlinks for you, we've decided to automate this process even more. So with our WordPress RSS integration, all you have to do is log in, submit the RSS feed of your WordPress site, and we will take it from there. Seriously, once your RSS feed is submitted, anytime that you publish a new post to your site, Done For You Suite will know about it, and it will immediately start building backlinks to that post 100% hands-free, nothing else for you to do. You still get the quality backlinks we're known for without you having to log in anymore. So talk about awesome, right? That right there is one of the best updates that we've added. You log in, you submit your RSS feed, and you don't have to log into Done For You Suite anymore if you don't want to. Anytime you publish new content, we'll get notified and immediately start building backlinks to your site. This is another big one too. Our duplicate submission detection for 100% unique backlink distribution. Now this is a huge update and improvement that we've made in version 6.0. We've realized that many of our users like to come back for a second round of links for the same post. And in previous versions, they'd get some overlap in backlinks from their first submission and their second submission. So in version 6.0, we wanted to ensure that we eliminated that. We are now able to detect when a user is submitting a link for a second time or even a third time. And we added filters so that you do not get submitted to the same site twice. Okay, so this means that you'll be getting 100% unique links when you submit a URL multiple times, up to the maximum size of our network, of course, which right now we have over 1,200 sites in our network. All right. Another big update is our Done For You Instagram embeds to get you even more video traffic and rankings. So as we all know, social video is booming right now, from lives to reels to shorts to everything in between. We're making sure we're staying on top of it all and allowing you to tap into any and every video platform out there. And Instagram being our latest addition, there is a ton of traffic, sales, and leads that you can get from Instagram. So we had to ensure that we added Instagram embeds as well so that you can capitalize on this video monster using Done For You Suite. So in version 6.0, you can now get hundreds of Instagram embeds as well to get even more viral video traffic and rankings. All right. And alongside that, we also added Done For You YouTube short embeds to maximize your YouTube traffic even more. So for many years now, we've been known to be one of the top places to get your YouTube videos ranked. But as you know, many of the video platforms are starting to evolve. They have the lives, they have the shorts, they have the reels, they have the regular YouTube videos. All of the video platforms are evolving, and we are evolving with them. So for those of you that are leveraging YouTube Shorts and you want to get your YouTube Shorts ranked as well, you'll be able to now submit your YouTube Shorts to Done For You Suite to get hundreds of YouTube Short embeds as well. And obviously that means that you also can submit your regular YouTube videos as well. And then on top of that, continuing with the social video craze right now, we're also adding, improving upon our Done For You Facebook video and business post embeds to get you even more traffic for business pages. So prior to 6.0, we were only able to support the ability to embed posts and videos from your personal Facebook pages. However, we had many of our users wanting to promote their business pages, posts, and videos. So in version 6.0, we've made that possible. You'll now be able to submit your business pages and have us do all your embeds for you. We'll embed your Facebook videos and posts to give you the boost you need to go viral or even rank your Facebook videos as well. And on top of that, we also are adding Done For You Wistia embeds to get you even more video traffic and rankings. So for those of you that really want to dominate the first page with video, this one is very, very powerful because we are wanting our users to get as much video traffic and rankings from all the top video sites on the internet. And Wistia has quickly become one of the top video hosting platforms on the internet, and there's no way we can leave out the ability for you to get your Wistia videos ranked as well. All right, so imagine seeing your YouTube videos ranking, your social videos ranking, and your Wistia videos all ranking on the first page. All right, with version 6.0, we've pretty much covered every video platform out there that you can use to rank on the first page of Google. Plus, you're also getting instant access to all the features we've added in version 5.0, 4.0, 3.0, and beyond. You're getting the very best version of Done For You Suite. So you're still getting the TikTok embeds, you're getting the Twitter embeds, you're getting the Pinterest embeds. And of course, we're bringing back the Done For You YouTube video embeds so that you can also get your regular videos ranked as well. But pretty much everything in version 4.0, 3.0, 2.0, and 1.0, again, we're including all of the updates that we've added in the past with this version as well. The expansion of our network, the addition of high authority domains, all of that good stuff that we're known for with Done For You Suite, which allows us to deliver our users as much results as we've been able to deliver. Okay, so that is what's new in version 6.0.